Miss Joey Cruz, nandito po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Asan po siya? Asan po siya? Ayan. Oo. Gusto ko lang punta, alam nyo, sa totoo lang, marami po akong natatanggap na bashing eh. Hindi ko pinapansin. Hindi ko pinapansin yon. Katulad ni Kabayan, hindi ako naiinsulto, hindi ako nababagabag, hindi ko pinapansin, eh wala namang katotohanan yun eh. Ano? Kaya hindi ko pinapansin yan. Alright. Ngayon, ang gusto ko lang pong sabihin kay Miss Joey Cruz, in one of your vlogs in YouTube, you directed this statement sa akin. No? Akin mismo. Unang-una, hindi naman kita kilala. Hindi naman kita kaaway. Wala naman akong ginawang masama sa'yo. Tama ba ako, Mr. Chair? Meron po ba akong ginawang masama sa inyo?
There is no personal action.
Kaya nga, Mr. Chair, sagutin mo lang ako. Meron po ba akong ginawang masama sa inyo?
No
meron ba wala?
None, Mr.
Wala. Wala akong ginawang masama sa inyo, ha? Pinapatunayan nyo yan, ha? Pangalawa, hindi niyo ako kilala. Tama ba, Miss Joey Cruz? You do not know me personally.
Correct, Mr. Chair.
And Mr. Chair, I do not even know Miss Joey Cruz personally. Am I right?
Correct, Mr. Chair.
But, you made a statement against me. O ito, babasahin ko ha. O, ang sabi mo, ganito, kung abante, paswelduhan ka ng taxpayer, gago. Tinawag mo akong...
Ayan na guys. Good morning once again. Welcome back to my live stream guys. So ito pinapanood natin ngayon yung ano tawag dito, Quadcom hearing regarding dito sa mga fake news guys. And yun pinatawag na yung mga ibang vloggers. And isa na ito sa mga famous na vlogger guys, itong si Joey D. Vivier, or personally known as si Joey Cruz. So ngayon, nag-quote siya, nag-post siya sa kanyang YouTube na yun nga, pasweldohan ka ng mga taxpayers. Sinabi niyang balikan natin guys ha. Balikan natin yung sinabi niya, saglit lang. Ayan, balikan natin.
Sabi mo, ganito, kung abante, paswelduhan ka ng taxpayer, gago.
Ayan, kung abante, paswelduhan ka ng mga taxpayers, gaga. Gagu. Hindi ko masabi yung word na yun, pero yes. So, mainit-init to guys. Talagang gibaan to ng lakas ng loob. So, tingnan natin kung mayayanig ba si Joey Cruz sa mga banat ni Congressman Abante. So, let's watch this guys. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. So, let's continue watching.
Tinawag mo akong... Tinawag mo akong gago. Oh, bakit? Ba't mo ginawa sa akin yun? Gusto mo ba akong umiyak ngayon sa'yo? Sabihin ko, ba't mo ginawa sa akin yun? Bakit mo ako tinawag na gago? Bakit po, Mr. Chair? Please, yes.
Mr. Chair, and I think it is already established that we do not know each other personally.
Ano po yung pakilakas nga po?
Hello, Mr. Chair?
We don't know each other.
Mr. Chair? Okay. I think it is already established that we do not know each other personally. Therefore, the statement was said based in a not personal way, but it is an observation of my reaction.
Mr. Chair, meron ka pang salita. Your observation is that I'm gago? Is that your observation?
This pertains to the public function as I perceive it, Mr. Chair.
No, you're public what?
Public function
Public
daw.
action,
Public
Mr. Chair.
action.
Public
So you
action.
mean that is the
Okay.
public that is actually telling me that I'm gago?
No,
Or
Mr.
is it
Chair,
you?
the
Yeah, I know.
statement
Let me
came
ask
from
you,
me.
Mr. Chair, is it you?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So you were the one that said that, right?
Correct, Mr. Chair.
Ayun. Pero hindi mo ko kilala. Wala akong ginawa masama sa'yo.
Yes, Mr. Chair. It
What is your
already
right to
established.
tell me that I'm gago?
Because I am a citizen of
What
the
is your
Philippines,
right to tell me I'm gago?
What an
That
answer.
is part of my freedom of speech, Mr.
Oh,
Chair.
is that right?
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So your freedom of speech is to tell a person that he is gago? Freedom of speech ba yan?
My freedom of speech, part of my freedom
Bay, ang
of
galing
speech is
mo.
to react
Ang
on the
galing mo.
action of
Ito
a
pa,
public
sinabi
official.
mo ha, in another post, ito sirahin mo. Pero alam mo, kaya tayo nagmi-meeting dito, parami na mention ko ito, no? Pero sa totoo lang, hindi ko pinansin yan, matagal na yan eh. Di ba? Hindi ko pinansin yan. Ito ha, ang sabi mo, you know, Kong Benny Abante, I can find all of this. Isasampal ko ito
Oh.
sa pagmumukha mo.
Oh, grabe.
Is that still freedom of speech?
Mr. Chair, I am not very familiar
Yes
on
or
that
no,
post.
Mr. Chair? Is that still, you think, freedom of speech? When you said, isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo.
Mr.
Is
Chair,
that freedom of speech?
yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganon. Oo. So, ibig sabihin, ganito. If I tell you right now, sasampalin kita, freedom of speech yan.
That's part of your freedom, Mr. Chair.
Pag sinampal kita, hindi na freedom of speech yan.
Of course, sir, it's overt
Hindi
action
na.
already. Yes,
Hindi
sir.
na, no?
Yes, sir.
Oo, ang galing.
Ang galing.
Mahusay ito. Oo, magaling ka. Oo.
Grabe
Ang
pala,
sabi
sir.
mo, I'm going to be Hindi ko masabi to Mr. Chair eh. F-U-C-K-E-D. Prepared. Binanggit mo yon?
Mr. Chair,
Bakit naman?
Mr. Chair,
Ano
may
ba
I
nagawa
know
kong
when
kasalanan
that post
sa'yo?
was posted? Mr. Chair,
Oh.
Mr. Chair, so that I can answer intelligently on the question
You
of...
can, Mr. Chair,
may I know
you can
the date
answer
of the
intelligently.
I
But
cannot
what you
answer...
said here, is that intelligent? Let me ask you. Let me ask you, Mr.
Grabe,
Chair.
sagutan
Nung
ni
sinabi
Itin.
mo, you know, Kong Benny Abante, I can find all of this, isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo. Is that intelligent?
Mr. Chair, I cannot intelligently answer if I do not know when the post was posted.
Sige.
You don't know? Mr.
Yes,
Chair?
Mr. Chair,
Hindi galing
I
yan.
think in a day I post maybe 50,
Well, you know,
50,
Nag-quote eh.
50 posts in a day.
Oh my God.
I would like to
Dami.
understand,
It
Mr.
means,
Chair.
Mr. Chair, that you can post something today and you forget that tomorrow. Am I right?
That is correct, Mr. Chair. That's very likely.
So, pakiklaro nga, Mr. Chair.
Nag-quote
Ano yung
talaga eh.
isasampal mo sa pagmumukha ko?
That is why, Mr. Chair, for me to intelligently answer your question, I need to know when it was posted.
Well, we are going to
Gosh.
get the date when this was said.
Thank you,
so
Mr.
you would
Chair.
be able to know. Ha?
Thank you.
Kaya, pinapa-confirm ko lang yung statement na yan eh. Oh, is ibig sabihin, do you believe, ito ha, hindi ko na sabihin ang freedom of speech. Do you believe that this falls under protected speech?
I'm so sorry, Mr. Chair. May you please repeat
Do you
the question?
believe that this falls under protected speech?
Mr. Chair, like I said earlier, I would like to know first the context of the post. But rest assured, Mr. Chair, that when I post in my platform, I make sure that it is a reaction on the news or public action. As a political observer, I always
As
practice.
Miss Cruz, is this a political statement? You were saying a political observer. Is this a political statement? Do you believe that using profanities, insults, and malicious accusations online represent fair and respectful, intelligent discourse?
Except as part of your statement, Mr. Chair, the malicious imputation you said, I accept that. The rest that you said, yes, it is part of the healthy public discourse.
It is part of what, Mr. Chair?
Healthy public.
Healthy public discourse.
Oh,
Okay.
therefore, pag binanggit natin using profanities, insults, and malicious accusations. That is, anong tawag mo doon?
Part
Health.
of the healthy discourse, Mr. Chair.
Healthy discourse.
Part down of healthy discourse. So, ano yun? So, anyway guys, panoorin pa natin yung, yeah, please don't forget to subscribe guys. Thank you so much.